Well, thanks, Sandy. Thanks, AMS, for including me in this list of today's such distinguished honorees. For me, personally, it is a wonderful journey from my very small village in rural India to MIT, to Goddard Space Flight Center, to University of Maryland, to George Mason University, and especially to COLA, Center for Ocean Land Atmosphere Studies. It has been a great honor to work with many students at MIT, University of Maryland, George Mason University, who are here, many scientists, and I would really like to especially thank Dr. Kinter and COLA scientists, and many of them are here. But most importantly, thanks to my family, my wife Anne, my daughter Sonia is here. Believe me, without the love and affection of your family and their tolerance, you can't be here doing this. But today, my comments are really going to be addressed to the younger scientists, just like Bob was mentioning. I hope many of our senior citizens, we are here in the front line. I hope you guys are able to listen to us. This particular field is a wonderful field. It is an amazing field, and I'll give you sort of 4 arguments why it is so exciting to be. Number 1, it is an intellectually challenging field. Imagine the dynamics of atmosphere, ocean, land. Imagine the interactions between the physical climate system, biology, chemistry, and then imagine the interactions between physical system and the human system and the social system. And at the end of all that, it is still a bit predictable, so that we can give useful information to society. Of course, part of the reason that it is a bit predictable is luck. And what I mean by luck is that the way the planet rotates and revolves, and with the sun, all our energy is in very large scales. And when all the energy is in very large scale, even with bad models and bad observing systems, you can actually make useful prediction. The reason I'm saying that is because imagine what you can do if we had a good observing system, a good dynamical modeling and observing system. So you have a lot of work cut out for you, but there's a lot of things that you can do. The second sort of challenging thing is, it is institutionally challenging. Imagine how to create institutions, and AMS has been a leader and has to do more, where we can support brilliant young scientists who are pursuing wonderful ideas, but at the same time, we must be able to support very large, expensive infrastructures like satellites, observing systems, ships, supercomputers. So it is a kind of a very interesting challenge for our field, and you are in the forefront of it. The third reason which we are in the most exciting field is that, of course, it is socially and politically challenging also. It is a fact of life that you have to defend the integrity of our science. And possibly, I'll just say possibly, you may have to pay some price for it. But it is not a big price to pay, because when you are concerned about the humanity and concerned about the future of our planet. But the last one that the young generation thank you. But the last one that I really want the young generation to really keep in mind, that it is a field which is personally and socially uplifting to work in the field. Observations and predictions that you make, and then we all make, actually save lives and save property. They're actually helping society. And see what happened 4 weeks ago at the Paris Climate Conference. Based on the work of scientists, and many of you are here in the room, actually a global agreement was reached to begin the process of healing our planet. I think that this was a triumph for science. This was a most wonderful example of what science can do for society. So, let me just tell you that your contributions are going to help society manage itself in the rest of the century and the generations to come. You have chosen a great field. Congratulations and thank you.
would like to thank all the members of the AMS for the honor of serving as president. Since I'm recently retired and I'm now